All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to support you all in all your endeavors as you keep supporting this channel. We say a very big amen to that. All right, my people, with the news reaching us right now. Well, Oduduwa Nation are going back. Exactly what the people are still talking about. All right, my people, we are praying for a better people and exactly what is going on in the country right now. Well, the election is just by the corner, and the majority of people are praying that the good Lord will see them through that day because with the way the whole thing is going right now, in fact, it's just like a thing of do or die for most of the candidates. And then a lot of people have been praying that Baba God, now your hand with day, because with the way the whole thing is going right now, it's only God that can save everyone in the country, Nigeria. All right, my people, this is another one reaching us right now. Oduduwa Nation going back, according to what the people are still talking about. Well, meanwhile, on this one, it says Yoruba Self-Determination Group withdraws suit against 1999 Constitution. Well, my people, the news in details. Onto this, the apex body of Yoruba self-determination and self-preservation struggle, Ilana Omo Odua Worldwide, has said that the suit in it instituted to challenge the validity of the 1999 Constitution of Nigeria shall be withdrawn and then refiled at the Abuja Division of the Federal High Court within the next 2 weeks. The leader of Ilana Homo Odua Worldwide, Professor Banji Akintoye, in a statement by his communication manager, Mr. Maxwell Adeleye, said the decision to withdraw the suit was taken to achieve a better result. He said it was in line with the new practice direction since the Attorney General of the Federation resides in Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory. The lead counsel representing us in the case, Mr. Toluba Baleye, has advised that the plaintiffs should withdraw the suits in order to consolidate the matter and refile it at the Abuja Division of the Federal High Court because the major prayer, which is the invalidation of the 1999 Constitution of Nigeria, can only be heard at the Abuja Division in line with the ruling of Ado-Ekiti Division of the Court on Appropriate Forum. After the ruling on the matter in Ado-Ekiti Federal High Court, our counsel and then other senior advocates advised that, as ruled by the judge in Ekiti, what the plaintiffs in Ekiti and Osun State are praying for are matters that affect the whole Nigerian Federation. The plaintiffs want the 1999 Constitution invalidated because its making is against the spirit of natural justice and fairness, and the judge in Federal High Court in Ekiti State ruled that the appropriate place to institute the matter is the Abuja Division and not in Ekiti. Though, according to the statement, I quote, though we have our reservations, but we do not want to waste our time on technicalities. We are withdrawing the suit in Oshogbo. The plaintiffs in Oshogbo will join the plaintiffs in Ado-Ekiti with fresh plaintiffs who are indigents of Lagos, Ogun, Oyo, and then Ondo State to institute the case afresh in the Abuja Division of Federal High Court. Well, according to the statement, I quote, our legal team are of the opinion that this is the best way to go, and they are confident that the outcome of the suit will make the Yoruba people and then all lovers of justice, fairness, and then self-determination worldwide rejoice. As far as we are concerned, it is a no retreat, no surrender. All right, my people, this is another one reaching us right now. Yoruba Self-Determination Group withdraws suit against 1999 Constitution. Well, my people, I think we have heard a lot of things onto this matter. Well, we have seen that the Yoruba Nation agitators on their home part are not relenting at all. Yes, and it had been gathered that the suit cannot be held in Ekiti State or in Osun or any part of the southwestern part, since the Attorney General is residing at Abuja, and then it's a very good one that they get to him, since he cannot come to where they are. They can always go to him, just like that adage which says, if the mountain cannot come to Muhammad, then let mountain go to Muhammad now. All right, but the truth of the matter is, either they like it or not, these people have made up their minds, no going back. And then our prayer has been that there shall be a victory at the end of it. There's going to be a great victory, because the people have tried their best. Well, one thing I always say is that if the federal government, if the country itself had done well, I'm not sure there will be any room for the Yoruba Nation agitators to say they want to even go back, or they want to have their own nation. And exactly what we have been talking about. Let everybody do the right thing. When you do the good thing, good thing definitely will follow you. Because right now, the people are not happy. They are not even relenting. Well, I've said a lot of things about this one. Look at now. The person that is contesting to become the next president. Even the Northerners are supporting him. He's a Yoruba man. The Yoruba people are not supporting, simply because they have seen it that all these people are game players. That our mumu don't do. Now one used to Tinubu Aloju Abi, ko le sheshe, ko possible. All right, and then this set of people are saying that forget it. They know what they are doing. After this man must have gotten there, they will still look for a way to bring him down. Well, our prayer is that is the best that the good Lord will do. But the Yoruba set of people right now, the Yoruba Nation agitators on their own end, have said that no going back. Either they like it or not, we don't wake up, our Momo don't do. Ojujua Nation, no going back. And exactly what it is. Look at what has been happening. Who is going to make it happen if we still remain in this country, Nigeria? Who is that person that will do the right thing? And then the people are fed up of it. Up till now, if you take a good look at what is happening, you will understand that. Are you sure these people will actually do the right thing? Kidnap everywhere, insecurity everywhere. In fact, in this period that the election is coming up, I always tell my people that if you want to see somebody that want to do well, the person, this is the time you need to see somebody that will do well. Now you are contesting to become the next president, and then the worst is happening. Now that you are supposed to even encourage them, entice them with some good things, that you see what I'm telling you now, there is security in the land. You can see that they are no longer kidnapping anybody. You can see that nobody is dying anymore. You can see that I've been doing the roads. You can see that there is food, everything is cheap. Then the people will be like, not true. If this person now reach there, he might do better. Okay, fine, he has tried. Let us vote for him. But this time around, the reverse is the case, because the worst is happening on a daily basis till tomorrow, and the election is very close. So, what is going to happen when you become the president? Well, that's just my own take. Well, the truth of the matter right now has been that the people have made up their minds, and they're no going back, and exactly what they are talking about. All right, my people, this is what it is right now. Onto this, what more can we say? Well, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.